moving abroad or traveling, here's how to change your country on Tinder. Tinder updates your location automatically based on your phone's GPS, but if you want to set a different country manually, you'll need a Tinder Plus or Gold. Let's begin to change your country on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it to go to settings. Scroll down a little until you see my current location section. Tap on it and tap add a new location. Now, choose your new location and tap save. Tinder will show you matches from that country. If Tinder does not update your location, try restarting the app or toggling your location settings off and back on. And that's it. Your Tinder location is now updated. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.